How exactly you can solve the SSL limit issue? As you know, Evilginx takes the free SSL from the certbot and it has a limit. Only it can allow up to, I think, 80 certificates per 24 hours. So in case you request too many certificates, there is a chance that you will get blocked and you will not receive any new certificates. So how exactly you can solve that? First of all, uh, you cannot fix after it's doing, you fix before it's doing. Let me show you how. So right now, can you see the Evilginx is right there, and if I run the Evilginx, it runs fine, it's completely fine. Okay, now where exactly the Evilginx stores the SSL certificates? It stores into the, if I do cd, then it stores into this dot local share, I think cert magic, yeah, cert magic certificates and uh, ACME version 2, let's encrypt api.org, right? That's the path. So if I hit enter button and if I do ls right here, sorry, something went wrong, cd into this path. Okay, if I do ls right now, it is showing me these certificates. Okay, I supposed to do ll, then it will come here. Okay, now can you see it is the certificates as of now it is using, because right now I have only created the one host name in my domain, that's why there is only one certificate. But when you use like Evilginx over the time, it will create like hundreds of SSL certificates. So what you need to do is, whenever you change the server, whenever you change the VPS, you just take a backup of these certificates, and next time when you try to set up the Evilginx on the next server, just upload these certificates simply. Okay, so this way what will happen, your domain doesn't have to get the new SSL certificate every single time, it will use the existing SSL certificate. So this way you can basically save your day. Now how exactly you can do that? By the way, if you are like getting the backup from this path, you need to restore that backup on new server on exactly same path. Okay, how exactly you can copy from one server to another server? So first option, obviously zip it everything and download it to your local system, or you can use command called rsync. Okay, rsync -avzh, and you can type the like pwd, or not like that, I think, pwd, and then root at new IP right here, and colon, and then exactly same path that supposed to you enter. Okay, that you need to add exactly same path right here. So I can say slash root dot local and this path. Okay, let me paste it here. It's supposed to be root. Okay, it should be slash root, something like this. Okay, so if you do this, then it will take the SSL certificate from this server to the next server, and when you run the Evilginx, it will run completely fine and you will not exceed your SSL certificate limit. Yeah, so yeah, that's all in this video, and see you in the next.